Hello, good morning, guys. This is a video from SmartFX Signal Group. What I will explain today is about how to input each signals. Whenever you see a signal drop, you should know how to input it, because if you don't know how to input it, then there's no use of that signal that is dropped for you. Yeah, so I already did the video, but after I did it and I go back to listen to it, I can discover that I have turned off the mic, so it was very painful. Although it was an explanatory video, but I have to do it again. So guys, this is what I'm saying: how to input a trade. When I said VIX, I mean volatility. What I mean by this volatility, we have different kind of volatility. I hope you understand now. We have a lot of volatility. So we have volatility 100, volatility 75, volatility 50. We have volatility 25. We have volatility 10. Oh, you understand now? Those are the volatility that we have, but they are 12. I mean, they are I think they are 20. Yeah, I already mentioned 5. So the other, I already mentioned 10. So the other 10 are the ones that have 1S at the back. So let me show you an example. Like this now. This is okay. Let me arrange it with let me arrange it so that you can understand it very well, so that it won't be like I'm just saying trash. Let me arrange it very well. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is volatility 10. Okay, yeah, this is volatility 10. Here's another volatility 10. Yeah, here's volatility 50. Here's another volatility 50. Okay, I have one on top there. Okay, yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. You can see now, this is volatility 50 ordinary, this is volatility 51s, this is ordinary, this is volatility 100s, this is volatility ordinary. Whenever I drop a signal, I will signify either it is volatility ordinary or volatility with 1S. I hope you guys are understanding me now. So whenever you see me putting an S at the back of a volatility signal, you should know that I meant the second the second volatility. I hope you understand me now. So that is that about the volatility. Volatility 10, this volatility 10s, this volatility 25. And if you can read what I wrote in the group very well, I already dropped the normal risk management you guys should be using to avoid accounts blowing. I hope you understand me now. Yeah, so I dropped a signal right now. Some people don't know how to place it. They're having issue. Well, that's not a problem, because it might be your first time entering that kind of trade. So this is how you do. You go, either you are using Android or you are using iOS, you just go to the trade, straightforward. You go to the plus button you are seeing up there, you click on that plus button. You will see where you are asked to input the lot size. But before you go to the lot size, make sure you are already on the certain pairs that you are asked to trade. I mean, on the certain indices that you are asked to trade. You can click on here. If you are using an iPhone, you click on here. If you are using Android, you click. You will see something like a dollar button. So you click on it. So when you click on it, you can see a lot of that pairs. Then you click on the certain pairs that you need, and you go to the lot size. You input the right lot size. Then before you input the stop loss and take profits, firstly execute the trade. What I mean by execute the trade is that take the action. Either you buy or you sell based on what you are dropped. And based on what I dropped, that you should do. I hope you understand me now. So the reason why I said so is because market is not stable. As you all know, market is not stable. If you are planning to input all these stuff before you execute your trade, I'm sorry for you. The trade may leave without you, and a lot of people might have bagged out a lot of profit before you even start the market. And when you start, you'll be hoping for a lot of profit and you will be losing your money. I hope you understand me now. So either you are asked to sell or buy. You just, maybe for example now, like the one I dropped recently, you sell it. I hope you understand me now. So when you sell it, the trade will be ongoing, the trade will be going underneath. Then you will long press on that particular indices. You click on modify position, then that's when you'll be inputting the stop loss and the take profit. This is the advised way of inputting a signal, because if you think you can just input stop loss and take profit at once, you have a problem. The problem is that the market will live without you, and a lot of people make profit without you. So it is much more advisable that you just take the action first before you do the other necessary thing. As you guys can see, the signal is valid, it's already profiting. So use it either on demo or on real account, and you can testify to what we provide. So this will be my first video to be dropped in this group. If you have a friend or family, you can refer them to the 1 week trial, but after one week, trust me, you love this.